Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys Bluetooth setting guys, and today video title guys how to solve Bluetooth network problem. Friends, you want to solve guys your Poco phone guys Bluetooth network problem. So how to solve Bluetooth network problem in Poco mobile. In this video guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have problem to connect guys any Bluetooth device in your Poco phone. So when how to solve Bluetooth network problem Poco phone, I will show you guys. First guys, after on phone setting, you can see this type of interface in your Poco phone. So friends, click on guys your Poco phone guys this connection setting. So guys, after click on connection setting, friends, you can see aeroplane mode. You want to on aeroplane mode, so you can on and you can off from here. So friends, click on guys your reset option. Then click on your Bluetooth setting and I will tap here to reset. So once you have any pattern and once you have any password, so I draw your password or I draw your pattern log and guys enter your password to solve your Bluetooth network problem. Friends, you can see want to reset OK option, tap here to solve Bluetooth network problem. After 5 and 10 seconds guys, setting has been reset. You can see this notification and once you can use guys your Bluetooth. You want to connect any device so where you can connect easily. So like that guy we can solve guys Bluetooth network problem in our Poco phone device. And once you want to connect any device, so once you can connect from here, click here pair option. Once you can see this pair notification guys, you want to pair, so where you can pair also. So like that guys we can solve guys Poco phone Bluetooth network problem. Friends, do you have any problem in your Poco phone device, and once you went out ready to guys your Poco phone, so you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.